right, and we're back. Box 3, Vegas Pallet Games.
Big money, no whammies, man.
Big money, no whammies. Big money, no. Oh my gosh.
I'm old, dude.
Jesus. Woo.
Yeah,
We're shooting for a streamer microphone right now.
yeah, you cut school once in a while. You get General Hospital and
Oh gosh.
and that whammy.
I hated those shows.
The whammy show.
Yeah. I used to watch Price is Right.
Well,
With
yeah.
Bob Barker.
Bob Barker.
Yeah.
Oh,
Classic.
Gray, Bob Barker.
Yeah.
That was me.
Yeah.
Get it, Bobby.
All right.
Oh,
This is and you got a laser jet.
Whoa. Wait.
Sealed?
It's sealed. It is sealed.
Really?
Yeah, it's sealed.
Yeah. Still got the original. Do not rip off. Yeah, it's pretty good actually then. What do we got here? We got Amazon ultra thin indoor TV antenna.
Well, HD, yeah.
Yeah. Watch your over the air antenna stuff. Oh, we got Nintendo Switch.
Oh, Zelda. Is it in there?
Zelda, it is actually in there.
Nice.
Link's Awakening.
Oh.
Legend of Zelda.
Did you want to be
Waking up.
I know, I just wanted a nap. Why did I wake him up?
like me?
You got a 2020, 2021
Monthly.
planner. Monthly planner.
Very pretty.
It is
Still got the bulk of it left.
still all there. I don't think they wrote anything. Yeah, they didn't do anything of it. So
That's a gun.
there you go. Yeah, this is a gun safe right here.
You need that.
You got your little numbers. Oh my gosh. And they probably put a code on it. Yep. Even got a thumbprint.
Yeah.
Oh, it does.
It does, got a thumb scanner.
Wasn't your thumb though?
Yeah, it's not my thumb.
It's got the keys, though.
Yeah, I got the keys with it.
Oh, so you can do a reset in the
Yeah,
inside.
we just do a reset
Yeah.
on it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nevada. Everybody's got a gun.
Nevada.
Where's that? Yeah, that's not your finger either. iPhone 6S case. iPhone 6S.
They should fit the 7S too, right? And the 8. Oh no, the S.
Yeah, they're a little bit different.
Oh, that one's a plus.
Changed them up. Added the extra little camera bits.
Got to keep these accessories company in business.
Yeah.
Got the
So
kickstand.
Apple does it. I have
The
no
Roku
idea.
Fire Stick, kind of orange. So maybe a little switch action.
Want me to open her up?
Do it.
Open her up! The bag in a
Making a bag.
bunch of boxes.
Guys.
And that one's empty. So, there you go.
Seinhauser. The Seinhauser.
Oh, headphones.
Oh, in-ear.
In-ears?
Yep.
Yeah.
Corded.
Yeah, here you go.
Is there any earwax?
Activity noise control earphones.
How do I control over your activity?
Yeah, I don't know. Active noise control.
Oh, active noise.
noise.
Oh,
So, I mean, yeah, it's the actual
noise canceling.
Yeah, noise canceling
Yeah,
headphones.
Does it work with my boss?
Yes. Looks like another Amazon Basics
antenna.
HD antenna.
Do yourself a favor, people. See where your tower's at before you buy these. You really need to be within like 30 miles or so of them.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you get.
And look, what did I say? Box two.
Turntables.
We did
And
have
a microphone.
2 turntables and the microphone from the last time.
Bluetooth.
So this is
That actually looks
very
that looks
safe.
cool. It's in like a little
very
case.
same as the other one. So looks pretty good. Look at that. That's a pretty little red turntable you got going on
should I
there.
run home and get my vinyl?
What else we got here? We got I don't know what this is. TV box.
It's probably a converter.
Unlimited content.
Oh, it's like a little.
Amazon boxes.
Yeah.
Yeah, like a little
Chromecast
fire
type
stick
thing.
kind of thing. Yeah.
No, it might be one of them.
Oh, look at this box of pens.
Oh, you never run out of
Box
pens
of
again.
Bic pens. Box was opened. The Bic pens are falling out.
Hey, what do you do?
Hey, you can always use some pens.
Well,
You gotta-
why would you really need to return pens?
I don't know. Oh, look, you got a Polaroid camera.
Oh, and it's
Like,
open.
it's open, but I don't think they actually used it. Or they might have.
Actually, this might be an Android box.
Oh, yeah, I think it
Yeah.
is.
Another one?
Yeah, you got port, you got HDMI, you got an Ethernet port on here.
There you go.
Little port.
Yeah, it's already open.
They're still.
And
How much you gonna judge us?
we got some other stuff in here. Yeah. Got some stuff here. Don't mind the people walking in the background, folks. Say hi, everybody. Ah, there you go. You got an HD TV digital converter.
Converter to what?
It says,
What if there's a gun inside this?
I think we have to report that to Metro.
Or bones, or human remains.
It is I don't know, it just says it's a digital converter for HD. Oh, it's an HD antenna. It's like old school though. Still got the RCA cables.
So confused. I don't know how your RCA cables work with the HD antenna.
Yeah, actually, this is an Android 6.0 box.
Nice, okay, cool.
Good luck with that one.
Oh, that's legit.
Oh, wait, this
Oh, it's
is
right next to the cylinder.
the same person that.
Oh, you got it open?
It's the same.
Oh, it's still got the gel pack in it too. Nice. Very nice.
You got the reset thing
Keep
here.
it dry.
Yeah. Huh.
That's a keeper for Jerry.
Yeah, I think I need that.
Yeah.
Hey, you guys know any grandmothers
Yeah,
or
kids, you
great
keep those
grandmothers that need this for their CRT? That's the only
Because they don't
one.
want to get rid of that old seat that they got floating around
Oh,
out
it's in
there.
the- oh, man. What is this?
I don't know.
Magic mouse.
Yep. Magic mount. All right, got one more thing left in the box.
What's in the box?
We got some Sony.
Oh!
Sony
Yo,
headphones.
he set the good stuff for last.
Yeah.
Boy.
Hiding it at the bottom.
Are those the 1000 M3s?
These are, yeah, 1000X M3s.
Are they in the box?
They are sealed.
No.
No? You don't think so?
No.
We got a doubting Thomas.
I was just gonna say that.
You guys are old.
See.
Yeah, I didn't know anybody knew that.
You know what I mean?
Doubting Thomas, like what? The?
Oh,
Look at that. Brand new inbox. Everything's still there. It doesn't look like it's even been unpacked.
Those are amazing headphones. They really are amazing.
I'll get you a good deal on them.
Yeah.
That'll take a chunk out of the cost.
Can I take,
Yeah, there you
can I take
go.
them home tonight? What is this? What is
There you go.
this is for the bike. This is like a.
Look at that. I mean, it's still got all the original packaging and everything in it.
Oh, this is a stepper type of device here. Bluetooth stepper for your bicycle. It's a Cadence. It's a Wahoo Cadence.
Don't mind me.
And I hope they don't get sued by Wahoo Fish Tacos.
We're gonna be kidding.
Well, there you go, folks.
EHR.
Record players,
I think overall we did well.
headphones, gun safes.
Calling this one 2 turntables and a microphone.
Ho ho! Were 2 microphones? No.
No.
Yeah, two microphones.
2 microphones, yeah.
We had 2 turntables and a microphone.
This is good. And something for your grandma.
Something for your grandma.
Grams.
Because Grammy always needs to upgrade her Zenith. All right, folks. We'll catch you next time. Have a good night.